Machines roar in the midst of dust and smoke, where every collision carries the potential for an accident. Each movement is a blend of danger and strong emotions, leaving the viewer breathless before the dramatic mechanical power.
Pode ir. Ô, moleque doido. Chique da manteiga. Chama na grade, moleque. Até, Serginho. Homem.
Continuously innovating to meet the ever-increasing demands of construction. The new JCB 3CX excavator features a modern design, powerful engine, and flexible operation. From digging foundations to lifting heavy loads, this machine delivers outstanding performance, making it the ideal choice for any professional construction project.
Maquininha e já tá no chão também. Agora é só acompanhar os trabalhos. Beleza? De toda a madeira tava na última, né? Tá uma meia aceleração ali e
With a sturdy chassis and powerful engine, this vehicle ensures safe, precise, and powerful transport on all roads. In the arduous rescue mission, the excavator and the tow truck worked closely together to support the XCMG hydraulic excavator and tow truck that were sliding into the river. With powerful engines and flexible operation, both machines played a key role in the emergency situation. Leave comment number 1 if you love these exciting journeys. It was a dramatic and impressive sight. At Duxbury Beach, a bulldozer got stuck in the mud and 2 excavators struggled for hours to free it. The relentless battle between these giant machines must have made for an unforgettable display of strength and perseverance. With powerful motors, this 5-year-old Taylor Machine Works wood stacker is durable, ready to take on the toughest jobs, demonstrating the timeless power of precision engineering. This is a great opportunity for anyone looking for a reliable piece of equipment. This UTB 651 tractor, with its powerful and durable engine, was specifically designed for hauling logs. Over time, it has remained a reliable machine, demonstrating outstanding strength and durability. This is a prime example of solid engineering that makes forestry work efficient. During the unprecedented large-scale horse transport flight, each horse received dedicated and thoughtful care. With the powerful and smooth operation of the 25,000 horsepower aircraft engine, the journey went smoothly, ensuring maximum comfort for the horses.
We've got a total of just about 500 to try on. So it's quite a logistical undertaking. Generally, we try to have 2 of our
NF or National Federation grooms.
a tube with no seats in it, and we load the horse stalls.
It's for the FEI World Equestrian Games in the USA.
A giant loader is stuck. With its powerful engine and impressive pulling power, can it escape this predicament? Follow the dramatic journey. Witness the mechanical power and extraordinary efforts to rescue this machine. If you find this machine extraordinary, don't forget to share your feelings with a #1 comment. Every movement of Dubrava demonstrates extraordinary mechanical power. It is not just a machine, but a reliable companion, making seemingly impossible tasks a reality. Its versatility and durability are not only technical characteristics, but also a testament to the spirit of resilience, overcoming all difficulties. In the port of Klaipeda, the Goliath, Van Oord's monster excavator, roars with its powerful engine. This mechanical monster dredging relentlessly, making the channel deeper and safer. Its extraordinary power is evident in every stroke, confirming its status as a legendary machine. A mighty Caterpillar crawler excavator, despite being submerged in water, still dug stubbornly into the mud to break through the beaver dam. With its powerful engine roaring, it never stopped, demonstrating its superior mechanical strength in this challenging battle. This scene is truly an impressive display of endurance and efficiency. The powerful New Holland B95B excavator roars loudly. With a durable engine, it continuously digs and supports huge blocks of material. This machine, with its outstanding mechanical strength, is the indispensable heart, ensuring progress and quality for every project. A dramatic scene is unfolding. The giant truck is tilted, lying motionless. With the engine roaring, the powerful excavator is exerting all its strength to pull, little by little, trying to get the truck out of the dangerous situation. The battle between mechanics and strength is at its most intense. Two legendary machines, the Sumitomo SH-123 and the Komatsu PC-105, with powerful engines typical of the mechanical industry, are working side by side. Each excavator demonstrates outstanding durability and performance, roaring loudly on the construction site. They are living proof of the durability and reliability of heavy equipment. The mighty loader rushed in to rescue, but was stuck in the mud itself. The engines roared in vain. Now two giant machines stuck together, creating a challenging situation that required even more mechanical power to free them. Have you ever seen a giant machine ready to conquer any challenge? The powerful Komatsu D41E crawler tractor is firmly on the trailer, ready for a new journey. With a powerful engine typical of heavy machinery, it is a symbol of strength and durability. Whether moving or working, the D41E always proves its outstanding performance.